So join me on a slight overcast afternoon in Khao Lak. I'm just going to have a little quick walk through the sunset resort. Didn't cover this last time I was here, but it was very low seas and there was no one here, so I just thought I'd just have a quick whip through now, just to give you an idea how busy it is when it's in high season. So looks like most things are open. Last time it was pretty much all packed up. Massages. So you're right at the end of the beach here. It's a really good spot actually. Okay, I'll just walk you through to the pool area. I'll walk you through to the bar. It's not a room tour. It's just to give you an idea of the layout of the resort. The resort itself is just built on the hillside, so if you do have walking difficulties and you don't like hills, just be aware of that when you're booking here. Directly behind here from the hotel, you might be able to hear, it's just the, there you go, see? So you've got the steps and the ramp all the way up to the main road there. And the main road runs directly behind the hotel. It's pretty much the last resort at the end of the Khao Lak strip here. This is where all the hotels start. Just spinning around there, just built into the cliffside there. There is a couple of hotels there, but this seems to be the kind of last resort on the beach. A nice big open pool. You've got plenty of shade here with some lounges. I've come back to Khao Lak quite frequently, so I've got quite a playlist now, quite a lot of the resorts. I will update them as and when renovations, should I say, put my tongue in, take place. Looks like there's a little bit of painting on the roofs here. That looks quite nice. Price wise, it's more on the budget end. But saying that, you are getting a brilliant location. Slightly out of it, but you can always get a taxi from reception into the centre. About 100 baht will take you into the Khao Lak centre. Maybe 150 baht will take you to the night market, depending on the driver. So you get the idea of the layout. Indoor bar area. And back onto the beach. Okay. If you like this kind of content, please do like and subscribe. I notice if I don't ask, no one does subscribe. When I do ask, people do subscribe, so it's always worth asking. So I'll catch you on the next one. And yet again, thank you for watching.